Already generated a voiceover, but want it to sound even better. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit voiceovers in Murf AI in 2026, including how to update your script, fine-tune the voice, and preview your changes before exporting. Start by signing into your Murf AI account and opening the project you want to edit. Once the editor loads, you'll see your script along with the current voice settings and playback controls. To change the narration, simply click inside the text editor and update your script. Yeah, you can correct mistakes, rewrite sentences, or add new content. Even small wording changes can improve how natural the AI voice sounds. Next, review the voice settings. Depending on the selected voice and your plan, you may be able to adjust speaking speed, pitch, pauses, pronunciation, or emphasis. These controls help you create a smoother and more natural voiceover. If the current voice doesn't match your project anymore, you can select a different AI voice. Browse the available voices, preview a few options, and choose the one that best fits your content before generating the updated narration. After making your edits, generate a new preview and listen carefully. Check the pronunciation, pacing, and overall tone. If anything still needs work, continue refining your script or settings until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're happy with the final version, export the updated voiceover if your plan includes downloads. So that's all it takes to edit voiceovers in Murf AI in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.